Hello to all the beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. So guys, please note down the things required to make this beautiful unique candle. And now without wasting any time, let's start the process of making this beautiful candle. So the first thing you need is a box like this, and on this box we will put our wax paper in the way that it will create a tray like shape. Guys, do watch this video till the end because this video is not a single video. This video is actually 3:1 video. Yes, 3:1 because two more videos are hidden in the one video. And say this is a festival bumper offer from my side to all my viewers. So keep watching this and keep following the process I am showing you here, which is super simple process. And now the first surprise is here. As many of you guys ask me many times how to prepare a candle wick for the candle, so this is what the process is. Dip the wick thread into the hot wax for about 5 to 10 minutes. After removing it from the hot wax, you have to stretch it like this as hard as you can 3-4 times. But guys, while doing this, please be careful because the wick is still hot with the hot wax. And now let's move on to the candle making process. So here I am having this melted hot wax and the temperature right now is 70 degrees centigrade, and here I am using the color of my choice. You can use any of your choice color. And now we will pour the equal amount of wax into each cup, and then we will mix our desired color into these. And now do the same way as I am showing you here. So guys, how did you like my first surprise? And you must be thinking that what should be the second surprise is going to be? And to know that, obviously you have to stay with me till the end. But meanwhile, please don't lose your focus from the process I'm showing you here. So keep watching it very carefully. And now as you can see that I'm mixing all my colors. So I've done with yellow and green, and now I'm adding this blue color into this hot wax. So guys, as you are seeing here that I have used green, yellow, blue and red color. Actually these colors are so bright, and whatever you make out of this color, it looks amazingly beautiful, and it create a wonderful effect with the white color, and I'll show you how. And now guys, take the tray which we have prepared earlier, and now it's time to pour the color into this tray. So first I'm pouring green color into it, and you also have to do the same way as I am showing you here. This green color is actually a very dark green color, and that's why it is looking like a black color here, but actually it is a green color guys. And now after pouring this color, you have to pour the glitter on it, and you have to follow the same process with the other colors also. Like after green color, here I am pouring the yellow color. At this stage, the temperature of the pouring wax is around 60 degrees centigrade, and because of the low temperature, it is very important to every time mix your color before pouring it into the tray. And guys, as you are seeing that here I'm using 4 different color, but if you want to use more than 4 color, you can use more than 4 color as well. Or if you want to create effect with the 2 color, like using the 2 colors alternately, you can do that also. That will also look amazingly beautiful, but the process will be the same. How many colors you are using doesn't matter. After completing the process, keep this tray aside for only about 5 minutes. Remember, 5 minutes. We have to take care that this layer does not set complete. And here as you are seeing that our candle wick is ready to use. Now after 5 minutes, take the wax paper out of the box, and now start rolling it like this from the first layer we added. And since the wax is still hot, you cannot roll it with your bare hand. So here we will take the help of this wax paper, and it will make our process very easy. And see how easily I am rolling this wax. It is very important to apply moderate pressure with your hand while doing this process. If you apply more pressure on it, you will not get the desired shape of the roll. Actually, what is the desired shape of the roll? The desired shape is a proper cylindrical shape. As you can see while doing this process, the wax is still hot and it is coming out from the layer. But don't worry about that. Just use a stick or a spatula and remove the extra wax from it and keep rolling it like this. And see how beautiful our wax sushi. No, it's a sushi roll is ready, guys. But don't stop here. Keep rolling it. Keep making it smooth until you will get satisfied with the look. Guys, as I told you earlier that this video is a 3:1 video, and I have already told you the first surprise, and now the second surprise is about to come in just few minutes. So stay with me, guys. See, you have to keep rolling it by applying moderate pressure on it. Please do not apply hard pressure on it, otherwise you will break it. And it is still hot, guys, and now it's time to cut it with a knife. And now cut it carefully with the help of knife. Here you have to keep in mind that the width of each piece is at least 1 centimeter and not less than that, and maximum depends on you guys how much you want to take. And see, guys, how beautiful these pieces are looking. And now it's time for the second surprise. See, guys, this is the corner part of the roll, and believe me, it is looking like a rose. So I'll keep both the corner part aside and I'll show you what to do with these corner parts. And here I'm showing you which I have prepared earlier also. And guys, I bet you when you cut these pieces, you will fall in love with it. Now with the help of a wooden stick, we will make holes in these corners. Actually, these corners are not corners. These are actually flowers, my guys. And then we will put a candle wick into it. And we will create a beautiful candle out of it. Don't you believe me? Try it. So guys, this is what the final look when you put these flowers into the beautiful tea light cup. For the first one I have used plastic heat resistant tea light cup, and for the second one I have used the metal tea light cup, which is easily available. Isn't it interesting, guys? So how did you find my second surprise? Please do tell me. And there is a saying in Hindi that ek panth do kaj. So we did that today. And now guys, finally the time has arrived to assemble all these things together. So here I am using my 2 polycarbonated candle making molds. I have purchased these molds earlier through Amazon, but now because of high demand these molds are not easily available there. So guys, you just have to keep your eye on the online shopping sites so that you can also get these beautiful molds. I'm using these molds because it is very easy to make you understand what I'm doing rather than using any metal mold. So obviously the first process of making any candle is to insert the wick into it, and now secure one end of the wick by using hot glue. If you don't have a hot glue gun, don't worry about it. You can use any clay or even dough you can put at the end of this wick to secure it. And now after securing both the ends of the wick, it's time to pour the wax into it. And see how I am doing it. You have to do it exactly the same way. Here the first layer of the wax is the froth of the wax. We are not going to use the hot wax. And why we are using this froth? Because we have to fix these pieces into the froth. And after fixing this, just you have to wait for say 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and then you will pour the next layer of the wax. And now guys, just focus on whatever I am showing you here, because the process is very important, but the process is super simple too. And meanwhile I don't have anything to say more about it, so just keep watching the process very carefully and do the way I'm doing it here. After doing all this, keep it aside for a few minutes, and then you have to pour the melted wax onto it. Make sure that the temperature of the pouring wax is around 70 degrees centigrade. Do not use more hotter wax than that. Why I'm saying so guys? Because pouring the melted wax over the blocks at high temperature will melt your block and ruin your candle. Now guys, when your second layer of the wax gets semi-set, at that time you have to fix as many blocks as you want to fix into it. Make your own design, create your own design. If you want to add third layer, you can do that also. So this is how my candle is looking right now, and I hope guys you too like this candle very much. So if you like my video, please guys stay with me, don't forget to subscribe me. Love you, bye bye.